10 projects. We're going to be taking 20 and times 10. That's going to be 200. Let's suppose you made it in a month, maybe in a week. This is going to be a good opportunity or good side hustle opportunity that you can be joining today. Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online by copy pasting. When you talk about copy pasting jobs, those are the jobs which requires you to be copying data and pasting them somewhere. Then you can be earning money. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see, if I come into my browser and type for instance, earn money by copy pasting, earn money online, copy pasting. So you can see now, you can see yes, you can earn money already by copy pasting. However, you are now asking yourself, where can you make this amount of money by copy pasting? There are a lot of works or platforms that you can join today and be able to make money by copy pasting. Let's say copy pasting jobs Upwork. If I type copy pasting jobs Upwork or copy paste data entry services online, you can see they are bringing me this page. On this page on Upwork as a freelancer platform, if I click on it, you can see it is going to be opening. Once it is open, you can see there are a lot of people who are saying that they can be also able to do copy paste job. You can see this person is from 12 USD, 12 USD, 11 USD, 12, 20 USD. Also, they are all having different description. Now, you can see this person is online, top right what, related one. You can see also the other reviews they are having. You can be able to check and decide which one to be working with. So now you are also asking yourself, how can you be able to join this platform and be able to start doing copy pasting jobs for your own? What you need to do is very simple. You need to sign up to this platform either by using your Gmail account or your email. So you need email, of course, to be able to sign up. Once you are signed up in this platform, then you agree to the terms and conditions. What you do after is to ensure that you come and list your project as here so that you can be charging people. That means you need to be listing your services. For instance, if this person is doing data scraping, data correction, web scraping, copy and paste work, you need to ensure that you list your services. This one is doing data entry, web research, copy paste, typing jobs. Now you need to come and also list your services in an appealing way so that the client can be able to come and list your services, then he hires you. This is very simple and free. What you need to do is to join this platform and also need to go into your browser and type upwork.com. Once you type upwork.com, you can be able to sign up, then also to be able to list your services that you're going to be doing. Now this is on a data entry or get copy paste jobs. You can be able to list your services and start making money today. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends, turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at NoMax TV.